I just ate a pomegranate like a year ago. One of the most delicious, one of the most delicious fruits in the world. And I made it with love, mother. You know, and it's a good flavor. We just announcing it to the people. Yeah, it's made with love. I want you to have the first bottle of that pomegranate. Shout out to all of the liquor stores, all the nightclubs, day parties, promoters, HBCUs, lovers, friends, and enemies. This